Hello, third grade. This is your gold belt practice video. We're playing Oats, Peas, Beans, and Barley Grow. We are going to be learning a new time signature today. So, the new time signature is 6/8. There are 6 beats per measure, and the 8th note gets the beat. Okay, so usually we have 3/4, which means we have 3 beats per measure, and the quarter note gets the beat. Or 4/4, actually this is most common, it's called common time. And this has 4 beats per measure, and then the quarter note gets the beat. So here is a measure, right? We have 4 beats in it. This is a quarter note, so 4 quarter notes per measure. That's what that means. 1, 2, 3, 4. We count up to 4, and we are counting this as 1. Okay? So, in 3/4, we have 3 quarter notes per measure. Here is a full measure. This is a quarter note, it gets the beat. This is a quarter note. These are 2 eighth notes. So 2 eighth notes equal 1 quarter note. So it gets 1 beat, okay? Here's an example of the 3 quarter notes in the beat, okay? Sorry, 3 quarter notes in the measure, 3 beats per measure. Okay, so here we are with 6/8. Now we have 6 beats per measure, and the 8th note gets the beat. Which one of these is an 8th note? Not that one, right? Because that is a quarter note, just like these are quarter notes. Just one stick down is a quarter note, okay? This here is the 8th note, and that gets the beat. What is shorter, an 8th note or a quarter note? An 8th note is shorter. So 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 1 quarter. Okay, so this is twice as long as this. So this is the long and that's the short. So the first time we count it, we're just going to count long, short, long, short. Okay, now here's a new rest. Can you guess what kind of rest that is? It's not a quarter rest or a whole rest or a half rest. It's shorter than that. Okay, here is your quarter rest. That gets 1 beat. So in this 3/4 measure, it's 1, 2, 3, but we don't count the 2, right? This one is an 8th rest. So just like the 8th note, it would get half a beat over here, but here it gets a full beat because the 8th notes and rests get the beat. Okay? All right, that's a lot. That's 6/8 though. So when we count, first of all, I'm going to be counting long, short, okay? And we are going to be at 140 beats per minute, which sounds fast, but the 8th notes are so much shorter than the quarter notes that it won't feel fast. Okay? So this one gets 2 beats now, and this one gets 1 beat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, and long, short, long, short, long, short, long. Did you hear how this gets 2? Long, the long one gets 2 beats, and the short gets 1. Short, 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 long, 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 long. Hear the difference? All right, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long, long, short, long, short, 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 long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long. Okay, so that's the easy way to count it. We're going to count it the harder way now with our numbers, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Over here we have 1, 2, 3, and this gets 4 and 5, and that's 6. So this is going to be kind of tricky. I'm actually going to not use this metronome right now. I do need to use a metronome. Okay. Oh well. I think we can do it. So just hear me count it for a little bit, and then you can join me next time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Ready, go. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 3, 4. So there's kind of a 1, 3, 4, 6 pattern that you've probably heard me do, right? Because this, we don't say 2, because 2 is the second half of this 2-beat note. Usually it only gets 1 beat, but here it gets 2 beats because we're in 6/8 time, which I explained before. All right, it's all a lot of information though, so here we go. So this would be 1, 3, 4, 6. You only say 2 one time in this song. Where is it? Right here. 1, 2, 3. And it may trip me up when I try to do it. We will find out. I don't know. All right. You guys can count with me this time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, count. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 3, 4. Okay, now we are going to sing the notes. Harper is going to point and video at the same time. So we start with B. Everybody sing with me. Ready, sing. B, 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 A, G, G, G. C, 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 B, A, A, A. B, C, D, C, B, B, C, D, B, A, C, B, A, G, G, G. All right, so I want you to stop the video, try to play those notes in order using your long, short pattern, right? Okay, and then you can start again. I'm going to play this at 140, which is our testing speed, so it's going to feel kind of fast if you try to play it right now. All right, here we go. Oops, we need a pointer. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Should we play it one more time? Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Happy practicing!